the urban cruiser really is the ultimate get-in and go type of car. From the moment you climb in and press the start button to breathe life into its petrol engine, everything just feels right. And once you get going, it gets even better. This is mainly thanks to the sparkling performance from its naturally aspirated 1.5-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. It really optimizes everything it has, resulting in a pleasant and effortless drive, thanks to 77 kilowatts of power at an easy 6,000 RPM. Torque is a generous 138 Newton meters at 4,400 RPM, and regardless of whether this power is matched to the front wheels via the manual or automatic transmission, the tractability is perfectly suited for a sprightly, efficient and effortless drive. Yes, those are all favorable figures, but the most important one is its fuel efficiency. It might be an urban cruiser as the name suggests, but it doesn't mean that you have to compromise on space and storage while you cruise through everyday life. And everyday life can have loads of challenges which require clever solutions. And it's here where the urban cruiser customers will be more than well equipped to tackle everyday life, both in and around town as well as off the beaten track. In the XS and XR models, customers will benefit from ample space thanks to 60-40 split and folding rear seats that can also flip and fold away to create a large volume of space. Good enough to swallow sporting equipment such as mountain bikes and its accompanying gear. The boot capacity checks in at a generous 328 litres. In addition to all models having a center console with 2 cup holders as well as large bottle holders in each of the 4 doors, the XS and XR models are also equipped with a rear armrest with 2 additional cup holders, ensuring that the younger ones stay happy on longer journeys. To cater to the storage needs of the ultimate adventurer, all models have an overhead console that incorporates a sunglass holder, whilst the XR model has the convenience of a cooling glove box which will come in handy for those long summer trips. The last thing to touch on is the great visibility in ergonomic driving position, with all the controls neatly laid out in front of you.